Hey my lovely foodies, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of my all-time favorite Chinese dishes, which is this Chinese style steamed fish. So this fish is super simple to make. It is very yummy and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's so easy to make. So let's jump right into it. So you're gonna need to place some scallion, about 2 stalks of scallion in your plate. Just spread it all over your plate because you're gonna use that as a bed for your fish. This will help with flavors and all of that. So after you do that, you're gonna add your fish on the plate. Now, if in China they cook the fish with the head on it, just like we do in Jamaica, ensure that your fish is nice and cleaned, scaled, washed, and inside is, just nice and clean. All the things are out. Now, once you have placed both fishes on the plate, well, on top of the scallion, now you're going to add on top of this some ginger. You can add as much ginger as you'd like. I'm just going to add a few big pieces of ginger. Just cover it, and that'll be all before this fish gets nice and steamed. Now, as a Caribbean girly, I really love this. I'm telling you, it is good. First time I was like, where is the seasoning? But listen, it is good. So once you do that, you're going to place your plate with the fish over some hot water. Ensure that the water is nice and boiling. But this shouldn't sit right in the pot. This should be elevated, right? So I just use another plate to elevate this, and then you're going to cover this and allow it to steam or cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. While that is steaming, you're going to make the sauce. The sauce is pretty easy to make. All you're going to need is, first things first, 2 tablespoons of seafood soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. You're going to whisk that all up, and that is all you're going to need for your sauce. So wait until your fish is finished steaming. Then you're going to pour this sauce in the plate. All right. So now the fish is nice and steamy. So this part is important. You should ensure that your plate is fully covered so that hot water and everything can really steam your fish, because you need your fish nice and cooked. So with all this water goodness that is in your fish, you're going to remove the water, remove the scallion and the ginger. Then you're going to come back like this. It's just your fish. The fish is still on top of the scallion. I just removed the ginger actually. So now I'm going to add in that sauce. You want to pour that sauce all over the fish and in the plate. And no, you're not finished. It's not just done yet, so, right? You're going to cover this to steam some more with all this sauce goodness. Allow it to steam again for an additional 5 minutes while you prepare some ginger oil. Now for the ginger oil, you can use the oil of your choice. Olive oil is what is in my kitchen, so I'm using about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm going to go in with some fresh ginger to create this nice ginger oil. Do not burn your ginger. Ensure that your pot is over low heat. You go in with the ginger like this. You just keep on moving your ginger around in that oil to get all the flavor nice and released. But once again, over low heat so you do not burn your ginger. And this lovely ginger oil is what we're going to pour over the fish. Trust me guys when I say this is something that is so yummy. If you ever visit China, you should definitely try Chinese styled steamed fish. Super yummy. Really nice. So this is nice and ready. Once the ginger is nice and golden brown, Now the fish is still, nice and steamy. You will now need to pour this ginger oil all over your fish, and then it will be ready. This is smelling so good, and it is just so amazing how easy this is to cook, and you can definitely find this at Chinese houses. You can definitely find this as a lovely centerpiece, and it is served just like this in the middle, and everyone just eat from the same plate, right? This is Chinese style steamed fish, guys. Lovely, love it. This goes really well with some rice. It's up to you what you want to eat it with, but this is Chinese styled steamed fish, my absolute favorite Chinese dish, one of. There are several Chinese dishes that I like, and I'm trying them one by one. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net for this and other great recipes. Until next video.